Alright guys, in today's video I'm going to show you a Clickbank method, a really good one I believe it is. The nice thing about this is you can do this with any niche that you want to do it in. Health and fitness, make money niche, relationship niche, just doesn't matter. With any product you want to do it in. It's a really good, easy method, and it's a 100% free to do and should be able to be done from anywhere in the world. And if you can't access Clickbank, well, you can certainly access Digistore24.com, and you can use their products as well. Before we get started here, speaking to those that are new to my videos, if this is your first time to my video and you haven't yet subscribed to the channel, go ahead anytime during the video that you feel like it, think about it, reach down there below the video and click the subscribe button, and don't forget to click the little notification bell there right beside it so that you get notified when I upload new videos, which I do pretty regularly here on this channel. Also, anytime during the video that you feel like you're getting some value out of it, just reach down there and mash that thumbs up button for me if you would. It'll help my channel out, and as well as the YouTube algorithm. Okay? Alright guys, let's go ahead and get started on this. First of all, you want to come over to Clickbank here. Now they've changed up their look a little bit here in the recent months here. And if you don't have an account at Clickbank, it's free to create one. Just go to clickbank.com and sign up, and it's free. They will send you a email confirmation. Get that checked out. Come back and get logged in, and then click on Marketplace right up here where you see my mouse is, and that'll bring you over here to the Marketplace. Now, what I did was I'm going to be using the smoking niche today, and I typed in the search engine right here, their search engine, I typed in smoking, and it brings up a few products here that have to do with quitting smoking cigarettes, or just quitting smoking in general. And I like this particular product right here, Quit Smoking Magic. This is a new product here. And you can make $24.92 per sale on this particular product here. And it even has recurring income. You see right here where my mouse is, guys. That means every month, it's a subscription type of thing, and every month, if they repay, you're going to get paid again and again and again as well. Okay? What we want to do is we want to go ahead and get our promote our link here, but to show you about the what it looks like, the sales page. If we click on that, it comes over here and it talks a little bit about it. As you can see, it's a really nice looking sales page, and it talks all about the different things to do with smoking, how many people smokes for how many years, and how many people are dying because of it. I mean, and getting cancer because of it and all that kind of thing. And it's a really good sales page here, and then they can certainly apply to purchase this product here that will help them quit smoking as well. So what we're going to do is we're going to be using this product, and we're going to be using Linktree. I don't know if you guys are familiar with Linktree or not. If you look at right up here in the address bar, it's linktr.ee. You see it right there, because we're going to be marketing this on Twitter. Okay, and I don't think Twitter really likes affiliate links, but nevertheless, we're going to use this as our landing page to get around the problem of Twitter maybe banning us because they don't like affiliate links on their site. So what we're going to do is we're going to create a new thing right here, and you can see on Linktree it shows you like what looks like a cell phone over here, and then you can add a new link and just simply click on that, and it'll put this little box right down here, and we can go ahead and title this out. So I'm going to click here on that little pencil, and I'm going to type in here, since our product is, well, we can actually get something over here, and we can just come up with something. We'll just say something like, click here to learn how to stop smoking anything, let alone cigarettes. Okay, and then come back, make sure I spelled stuff right here. And then after that, then we're going to come back and get our link right here, guys. So we'll click on promote right here. Make sure that your nickname, your account nickname, is in the box right here. You can use a tracking ID if you like. I'm not going to for this. And then we'll just click create a hop link here. And then you can see it gives us the old Clickbank link right here. And if we click on copy right there, and then we can come back over to Linktree, and we can actually paste that link right in there, because it's not going to make any difference whether we shorten it up or not, because it's going to be here. It'll show up over here in just a moment. It should, over here on this side right here. And it says it's an unsafe URL. Okay, well, let's go ahead and shorten it up then. We'll come over to tiny URL. I don't get why it says that, but we'll come to tinyurl.com and we'll just shorten it out. Hopefully it won't, yeah, and then click it in there and it gives us that nice little short link right there, and we'll see what happens now. And there you go. You see that it didn't like that long Clickbank link, but we put in the short link, and you can see that it put it over here, guys, on the right above my head here. Click here to learn how to stop smoking anything, let alone cigarettes. Okay, or maybe I should say including cigarettes instead of. Let's come back here. Quit smoking anything, including cigarettes, because I think people, they're probably smoking weed and they want to quit smoking weed too. This should help them also as well with that. So we get that covered in there. Smoking anything, let alone including cigarettes. That should change for us there. There it did. Now it changed over. So if anybody clicks on that, it takes them over to the product page here, I believe. Yes, it does. See that? And it's got my affiliate nickname in the link right there. All right, now. And once we have that, this is the link that we're going to promote right up here, guys. You see that? So what we're going to do now is we're going to come over to Twitter. Like I said, we're going to promote this on Twitter. And, well, why would we use Twitter? It's pretty much a no-brainer, guys. If we look on our similar web here, well, Twitter gets, 7.1 billion visitors per month. I mean, this is a lot of incredible high traffic, and if I scroll up here, and you can see most of it's from the United States and Japan, United Kingdom, Canada, and Brazil, some of the top tier countries of the world here. Okay, so that's why we use Twitter. Now you notice that I came in when I logged into Twitter. If you don't have an account at Twitter, just go ahead and create one, even if it's just for a Clickbank method like this. Come and get logged in, and then once you get logged in, you want to click on Explore right here, you see. It brings us over to the Explore page, and you can see about everything. And I typed into the search engine up here. Notice I typed, I need to stop smoking cigarettes. And I pressed enter, and I clicked on latest right here, guys. And you can see that it brings up literally hundreds, if not thousands, of people talking about they need to quit smoking cigarettes. Okay, and I mean, it just goes on and on and on. Down through here, people wanting to quit smoking cigarettes and knowing that they should and that they need to, and so on and so forth. So whatever niche that you're doing, whatever product you picked out of Clickbank, you're going to do this same sort of thing. You'll just type in something in the search engine that's related to your product, and you'll find all kinds of people that you can market to. All right, now let me show you how we're going to do this. Now what we're going to do is we're going to come back here and we're going to get our link here in just a moment. But let's just say, for example, if we click on here and it says we'll treat our reply, and I'm going to say here something like I was able to stop smoking fairly quickly myself with a really good product. Hopefully this will help you as well. Okay, so we'll just spell that right here. This will help you as well. And then what you want to do is we're going to come back to Linktree, and we're going to get this link right here. Click on share right here. We're going to copy that and bring that back to Twitter, and we'll just paste that right in there, just like that. And then they've got that link there, and then it's just a matter of clicking on reply, and that's all you have to do. Just click reply, and that will tweet it out. Says your tweet was sent, and you can click on to view it as well if you like. And then there, all I got to do is click on that link. That brings them over to here, and you can see that the link is right here, and they click on that. That takes them over to the sales page with our affiliate link right up there in the box with that. Guys, that is how you do that. That's a really good method that you can use to market, and then you just come back and you go back and do it again with the next person. And just keep doing it down the line with each person that's looking to quit smoking cigarettes or looking for whatever product it is that you're trying to market off of Clickbank. Do the same thing. Make sure you use Linktree because you need to have that as a landing page so that you don't get banned or any kind of get in any kind of trouble with Twitter because of affiliate links. Okay? Well, guys, that is the method that I had for you today. It's a pretty easy method. It's pretty simple, and you can do it in any niche that you want to do it with using Clickbank products, and they have all kinds of categories over here on the left that you can choose from: computers and internet, e-business, health and fitness, guys. I mean, there's just all kinds of products that you can click to use and do this very same method with using Clickbank products, and hopefully get yourself some pretty good sales. Alrighty? Well, guys, that's the method I had for you today. If you like that, reach down there and give me a thumbs up. You got any comments or anything, questions about this method, just leave them down below in the comment section, and I'll get back with you on it as soon as I can. Also, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and click the notification bell down below there, and so that you can get subscribed to my channel. And also, if you want to learn high ticket affiliate marketing, higher ticket money than this, $24, where you can make $1,000 in one day, you want to click down there in the top of my description where you see it says mentorwithkev.com, and come over and check out my free video presentation that will show you the formula for high ticket affiliate marketing. Alrighty? Well, guys, I'm going to let you go with that, and I'll see you again here in a couple of days or so on the next exciting money-making video. You guys take care. Have a great day, and bye-bye now.